19 interesting facts about crabs. The crab is not only a tasty food, it is also an amazing creature with a rather secretive lifestyle. The tastes of crabs have made them a delicacy in many countries, and some of their species are on the verge of extinction, in part because of the destruction of coral reefs caused by global warming. Interesting facts about crabs. There are more than 4,500 species of crabs on Earth. They may look completely different, but all members of the order have 8 legs and 2 claws. The leg span of the Japanese spider crab is up to 4 meters, so its limbs are almost 5 times longer than the legs of an average human. These crabs weigh up to 19 kilograms and live up to 50 years. The smallest crab in the world is the pea crab, with a body size of only a few millimeters. To attract females, crabs perform elaborate dances during which they tap their claws and rattle their shells. The body of most crabs is flat, allowing them to climb even into the narrowest crevices. People have been eating crabs since prehistoric times. Today, seafood lovers around the world eat about 1.5 million tons of crabs a year. Crab meat is rich in protein, which makes it an extremely nutritious food. It also contains vitamin B12 and anti-inflammatory substances. Crab meat is recommended for preventing heart disease and lowering blood pressure. The distance between the claws of the largest crab caught exceeded the height of the tallest man in the world. It is known that 10-legged crustaceans, that is crabs, lived on Earth during the Jurassic period. The shell of a crab is its external skeleton. Spiders and some species of insects have a similar body structure. See interesting facts about spiders. The shell of a crab does not grow with it, so animals are forced to molt periodically to shed the old shell and grow a new one. A 1-year-old crab does this 6 or 7 times, and adult crabs do it once or twice a year. A crab may lose a limb to predators or a fight with another individual, but it will soon grow back. These creatures are able to regrow lost body parts just as sea stars do. Interesting facts about sea stars. Crabs have adapted to live in almost any environment, in icy waters off the coast of Antarctica, boiling geysers at the bottom of the ocean, on rocks far from water, and even in tree hollows. Some crabs protect themselves by placing an anemone on their carapace. It is good at camouflaging the host animal and stinging predators that sneak up on it. Crabs, like fish, get their oxygen from the water, but can stay on dry land for a long time. The main thing is that their gills have not had time to dry out completely during this time. The teeth of crabs are in their stomachs. 40% of a crab's weight is its meat. There is a legend according to which crabs once made a pact with insects. The former inhabited the water, while the latter took over the dominion over the air. When Hippocrates saw a cancerous tumor, he called it a crab, because the tumor itself reminded him of the body of a crab, and the veins that departed from it reminded him of legs. Then the Romans called the disease cancer. This term is still used in England. And in Russia, another translation of the word is used, cancer. So we can consider that one of the most terrible diseases owes its name to crabs. The world's largest crab had a distance between its claws greater than the height of the world's tallest man. Succulans are bipedal crayfish that parasitize crabs. They first take nutrients from the host's hemolymph, an analog of blood in arthropods. The succulina then takes the form of a sac and attaches itself to the abdomen of the crab. In this sac, eggs mature, which the crab cares for as if they were its own. At this stage of the parasite, the crabs lose the ability to reproduce, and the males turn into females.